Welcome to Foodie Friday has an apple a day. Did you know that in the United States more than 2,500 varieties of apples are grown? And right here in New York State, we are the second largest apple producing state in our country. Oh, those magnificent fruits. So amazing. Famous types all around the country, such as Red Delicious that are crunchy and mildly sweet and our favorite for snacking. But so many different ways to eat an apple, to cook with it, to bake with it, in reds and greens and yellows. What a versatile fruit. An old proverb that began in the end of the 19th century, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, let's check it out with this recipe. So, you can choose what kind of apple you would like to try. I'm going to choose the Gala Apple. You can select any kind of nut butter or sunflower nut butter. Of course, how fun to have some sprinkles. You'll need an apple core. And let's get started with this beautiful Gala apple. First, take the core and start to stick it on into the center, starting with the stem of the apple and working your way down. You'll see the core will start to come up. You're going to gently twist it. And you're having trouble, you can have an adult help you out. You can see here it's nice and hollowed out. Now, this is the part with an adult. Have the adult help you slice the apple using it on its side so that it starts to make these donut-looking shapes. Pretty cool. What do you think we're making? Oh my goodness. Once you have all the slices done, and if one comes broken, you can eat that one, of course, like Miss Wendy did. Spread out those apples. I got about 6 of them, plus the boo-boo that I ate. I spread them out on some parchment paper, and I started spreading. I started with some Nutella, because I love chocolate, of course, and who doesn't love something that's nice and sweet? You can do peanut butter, and like I said, sunflower nut butter is fine too. Once you have them all spread, well, here comes the fun part. Getting them all decorated, right? So, here comes our sprinkles. I just kind of poured some into my hand and I'm just lightly tossing them onto my apple donuts. It's great fun. It almost looks like you're ready to go into a Dunkin' Donuts store, doesn't it? So here's my 6-pack of apple donuts. Yum! Did you know that apples have many health benefits, including keeping a healthy heart? Oh, apples are amazing. You can make apple crisp, even an apple salsa, which is lovely on fish or chicken or pork, or even just a dip of chip. Of course, what would be even better than an apple pie? Yum! I like doing apple wedges, so I use a wedger and I just gently wedge an apple to get rid of the core. It makes these nice bite-sized pieces for me to be able to do lots of great things, including dipping in caramel dip or peanut butter. Another fun, great after-school snack, or even wonderful with some cheese as well. Some great books that I have uncovered at the Manlius Library. Nonfiction titles such as Apple Harvest, another fun National Geographic book, Apples for Everyone, Apple Trees, and then some fun free reads that could include Secrets of the Apple Tree, Our Friend Curious George in Apple Harvest, Apples to Oregon, Fancy Nancy's Apples Galore, 10 Apples on Top with Dr. Seuss, and Apple Picking Day. And finally, A Day at the Apple Orchard. And just like the apple variety that you can find all around us, there are lots of other books that you can find at your local library. And there you have it, friends, our apple donuts. Or should we just call them donuts? I'm digging into this one with the Nutella on it. Yum. Thanks for joining me for Foodie Friday. Probably shouldn't talk with my mouth full. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you next time.